Hey guys, welcome back to our channel TechTube. Today in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can search new channel in Telegram. So I'm going to be teaching you a very easy step regarding this one, and if you have any problem or any queries within the process, just let me know in the comment section right away. Now without any further delay, let's just get started. So firstly, what you need to do is you need to go to your Telegram app and then log in with your account. Once you do that, you will be in this particular platform. Now as you want to search new channel, what you have to do is just go to top right corner where you'll find this search option, and then go to channels from here, and now just search for the channel you want. So let me just search for anything like this, and then once you search that, you'll be having channels option over here. Just press on here and you can search it and you can join it from here. So that's pretty much, guys. That's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel, and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just let me know in the comment section right away, and I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe guys. Thank you for watching.